In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom calculator in Wix. We'll walk through finding the right app in Wix and getting it onto your site. Then I'll show you exactly where to start customizing it so it works for your specific needs. Follow along in your own browser so you can set this up in just a few minutes. First, head to wix.com and sign in to your account. From your main dashboard, make sure you're on the site where you want the calculator. If you manage multiple sites, double check the site name at the top so you add the app to the right place. On the dashboard, look to the left-hand side. You'll see a vertical menu. If the menu is collapsed, expand it so all the labels are visible. Click Apps to open the section that helps you add new functionality to your site. From there, choose App Market. This opens Wix's library of integrations and tools. At the top, use the search bar, type calculator, and press enter. You'll see several options, but the one we want is called Calculator Builder. It's designed specifically to add a customizable calculator to your site, which is perfect for quotes, pricing, or any input-based estimates. Click Calculator Builder to open its details page. Here you can quickly scan the description to confirm it matches what you need. When you're ready, click Add to Site. If this is your first time using the app on this site, the button will clearly say Add to Site. If you've used it before, you may see a slightly different button like Open or Manage, but for a new install, choose Add to Site. After a moment, the calculator will be added to your site, and you'll see a default calculator appear in your editor. It may be a basic layout with sample fields, which is totally fine. Think of it as a starting point you can tailor to your use case. To make it your own, click Settings on the calculator element. This is where customization happens. Rename fields to match what you need, such as quantity, size, time, or any other inputs. Use the app's formula options to define how results are calculated. For example, you can multiply inputs, add fees, apply percentages, or round results so they're easy to read. Update labels and placeholders so visitors know exactly what to enter, and set default values to guide them. If you need specific units or currency, adjust those in the settings, then switch over to the design options to style fonts, colors, borders, and backgrounds so the calculator matches your brand. That's all you need to add the Calculator Builder app and begin customizing it in Wix. You now have a flexible calculator foundation that you can fine-tune to fit your site's goals.